nangingibabaw na character trait ni Miguel as a child. Yung pagiging sweet niya talaga.
Oh, tas napaka-friendly niya, parang in any place we go, after a couple of minutes may friends na siya. So, yun yung isang trait ni Miguel.
It's gonna be a good time, gonna be a good time, yeah. Soaking up the sunshine, soaking up that sunshine, feeling like
Malaki kasi yung gap from panganay. So, parang may first ulit ako baby, gano'n siya. Sobrang na baby talaga siya. Talagang inalagaan, inarugan.
I'm happy kasi meron ka ng kalaro. Parang yung as a dad, parang meron kang opportunity na maging bata ulit.
tomorrow turns to yesterday. We got weekends on the west coast. Don't care if we end up broke. We can give it all away. Reaching for the stars, hit the streets and the boulevards. We turn it up right now. It's gonna be a good time, gonna be a good time, yeah. Soaking up the sunshine, soaking up that sunshine, feeling like yeah, we do it like it's gonna be a good life, gonna be a good time.
Miguel, anak, lagi kong sinasabi, you're my favorite. And this party, alam ko, wish mo to. So, we did everything para maging ma-put into reality lahat ng wishes mo. Anak, sana pag lumaki ka na mabuting bata, masaya, malusog, at mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo, anak. We love you so much.
So Miguel, by the time na mapanood mo to, you will understand yung mga pinagdaanan natin every day. So lahat yun is ginagawa namin parents mo to mold you, to help you, so that when you grow up, you will be able to do the things that you want. So you will be able to be the person that you want to be. And ayan, good luck and we love you. Happy birthday.
Paint these stars. Tonight we're glowing. Don't stop now. We can keep it going. Shine so bright. Anywhere we're going. It's gonna be a good
Happy birthday and we love you, Miguel.
It's gonna be